Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Your boy Domino 7 is here. I had an unbelievable day, okay? Today is Bob Barker's birthday. Celebrating Bob Barker's birthday with a cake and stuff like that, okay? So yesterday, not yesterday, earlier today, on another video, uh, my my niece, or should I say my cousin Blossom was kind of emotional. I didn't know what was going on though. She started getting emotional. I don't know why. I don't know how. But something happened, and I apologize though. Okay. All right. So check this out. Yep, I'm watching that. All right. So this is Bob Barker right here. Yep. And Neil Patrick Harris, Doogie Howser himself. This was how I met your mother. Oh wait a minute. Oh look at that. Uh, all right. So anyway, I mean, it's a beautiful day. I mean, in 2007, I was living in New Iberia, okay, but I was living in a trailer park, in a FEMA trailer, okay. Around that time, his last day on The Price is Right, and watching the what you call it, the 50th 50 years in television, celebrating his 50 years in television, in 2007. All I kept saying, I'm gonna miss all this. I'm gonna miss all this. But you know what? I knew The Price is Right would have kept going on and on and on and on, and I knew it was gonna keep going on and on. I knew it all along. But I kept saying, I'm gonna miss all this. This here, this that, the music cues and stuff like that. hmm when the announcer say contestants not appearing on stage will receive this or receive that, I'm gonna miss that music though. Everybody missed that. And Bob Barker, you are truly missed. Okay, I hope you're having fun up there, especially with my mom and my grandmother. Okay, so I know you met them up there, and I know you're watching this video up in heaven. Okay, so as I was saying, y'all, I really enjoyed today. Okay, and Alex Trebek, I hope you're having fun hanging out with Alex Trebek. Because Alex Trebek is missed too, and Bob Barker, Rod Roddy, Charlie O'Donnell. Okay, yep, and other people that we miss. Okay, and Richard Dawson. All right, so. All right, Bob Barker, thank you for so many wonderful years before I was even born, after I was born, after after I graduated out of high school, and after Hurricane Katrina. Okay, yeah, I watched you throughout my time. As I go here or there. All right, thank you so much, Bob. I appreciate you. All right, God bless your soul. Okay, you are truly missed. All right, God bless.